Migao mar limbe oyango ni midhiero mapoya kaka lokruok chako lwasi kod lokruok e kit siasa gin moko kuom ohinga mathoro hinyo sekta mar limbe kendo duoko chien yute sekta no. Moyangi jatend migao mar limbe Miano mawacho ni sirikal oseketo maini e jiwo sekta no to ahinya nyaka ne midhiero mar coronavirus monj piny Kenya higa 2020. Jatend migao no otwak e kinde yepo mar nyasi mar nyiso nyadhi mag sekta mar limbe. Omedo lero ni sekta mar limbe oseketo maino e yawo thuolo mag tije ne rawere. Nyasi no motisi ni Global Tourism Resilience Day Conference and Expo dhi nyime e kar romo ma KICC Nairobi kuom ndalo adek.
We do not have enough funds. If you look at even the climate financing that we talk about globally, you don't find even any allocation that goes to tourism. Yet tourism really depends on resilience in terms of even climate. And therefore, we are in the next 2 days coming up with what we will call Nairobi Declaration, the outcome of this conference. This will come up with meaningful work plans and suggestions that we shall take forth to the UN tourism, also to governments, regional bodies like Africa Union, like what we have even in the Caribbean, and even individual governments.
Tourism brings people together. It invites people to move from one place to the other and in the process transfer wealth. And it is that process of transferring wealth that enables us to bring value to each other. So tourism resilience then is tied up heavily in our capacity to share with each other, to recognize our weaknesses and our strengths, and to parlay that to enable a stronger, united Africa.